In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from HubSpot with ease. Whether you're looking to back up your contacts, analyze your deals, or simply keep a record of your business interactions, exporting data can be a straightforward process if you know where to start. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific object within your HubSpot account that you're interested in exporting. This might be your list of contacts, your deals, or even your companies. To do this, head over to the CRM section of your HubSpot account and choose the relevant category, CRM. Contacts, CRM deals, and so on. Once you've selected your object, focus on choosing the view you wish to export from. This could be something as broad as all contacts, or something more niche, like a specific list you've created. Making sure you're in the right view is crucial because it ensures that you're exporting the exact data set you need. Now, it's time to initiate the export. Look for the Export button, which is typically located in the top right of your screen. Depending on your view, it might also be labeled under Table Actions before you choose Export View, or something similar. Clicking this button is your gateway to the export process. You'll then see an Export dialog box appear. Here, you'll need to select your desired file format for the export. HubSpot offers a variety of options, including CSV, XLS, and XLSX formats. Choose the one that best suits your needs. For instance, if you're planning to open the file in Excel, XLSX might be a convenient choice. Customization options are also available at this stage, although they are entirely optional. If you wish, you can tweak the settings to include specific properties and associations with your export. There's also the choice to customize the language of the column headers. This step can be helpful if you're trying to streamline your data for specific analyses. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, it's time to hit the Export button to set the export process in motion. Shortly, you'll receive an email containing a link to download your exported file. This information might also appear in your HubSpot notification center, so keep an eye out there as well. A couple of additional things to keep in mind. HubSpot supports a variety of file formats like CSV, XLS, and XLSX, and they do impose limits on the number of exports and size within a 24-hour period. When exporting data, you might also want to check out associated objects and their properties to include them in your dataset. Plus, exporting the history of property changes could be beneficial for tracking records over time. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to exporting data from HubSpot. By following these guidelines, you can efficiently manage your data exports and ensure your records are precisely how you need them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exporting!